Versus Firework bubbler from Five Below. Oh, Sylvia's scared. Peter's like, what the heck? Oh, I would do it outside if you're gonna get one of these, because look at the floor. It's wet. No. It's all the way up to the ceiling. Pretty cool. It's a pretty cool bubbler. And you can refill the bubbles in it too. It has like a bubbler in the inside where you can refill. And it sparkles. I guess if it's dark you can see it better. Sparkle colors. Super cool. Well, I guess the kitties don't like it though. They're like, what? There's two different speeds. I guess this one goes the opposite way. Look at the floor, oh my gosh. Guess it's not what the kitties like though. No bubbles? You'd think they would have fun, but I think it's too wet. Oh my gosh. But, oh okay, it has like the firework sound if you do it the second one. That's what it is, the second one makes firework sounds. Okay.
Typical, emotional, sensitive and cynical. Took my sanity and sent it